Hi, welcome to this video to show you with the Amiga arcade launcher and Amiga Doom. It doesn't load on my setup, so I just thought I'd show you a quick video about it and a few other things as well. Right. The Commodore 64. A for keyrar because it's got a keyrar in it, see? There's the main base at the bottom, you've seen it before anyway. My desktop is actually Windows XP to make it look like a Commodore OS. And it's got the bar at the top. Anyway, let's get on with this. Right. There we go. There's Amiga arcade launcher. Over there. Unclick it. Comes up. Just gotta get rid of this. A minute. Is it? There we go. Amiga. Show. Drop menu works. Music on and off. Here's the music. Go games. There's Amiga Doom. Click OK. And crash. Run out, and press return. Nothing. Dead as a dodo. Dead as a dodo. There you go. Did it? Okay. Now ball. There we go. Quick. That's just to show you that it has an error there. If I click on another game, that's Stones and Bones. Well, no, Pinball Fantasies, I mean. Should load. Or Oh, missed it. Whoops. Oh, damn it. Hold on, turn these off. There you go anyway. Quit. Anyway, that's it. Okay, just thought I'd show you that you go to properties, and you go find target. You can actually find the place where it's installed, and if you go to autoplay, you go to games, this is where menu E is. When actual all the stuff is set up, you know, the games, ROMs, over there. Configurations are up here, there's the configurations. If you need to do any configurations for the games and that, that's how you get to them, but you can usually get to it via the actual launcher itself. See? And I just thought I'd show RetroFan as well that the demo, you can do the same. If you right click on that, then go up to find open file location on Windows 7. There's the file location. You go autoplay, go down to games, and there's WinUE and all the configuration files. There's all the games. Can't really see it that well on here, but yeah. Hold on. Made it a bit brighter for you. Okay. Go to games, there's your games. Same as the other one. Program files. Amiga programs, I mean. Configurations, there's all configurations. The games. Okay. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you later.